Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to your channel name. Today we're tackling a common problem that every gardener faces: pests. But we're not reaching for any harmful chemicals. Instead, we're going all natural. Whether you're dealing with aphids, caterpillars, or slugs, I've got you covered with some easy, eco-friendly solutions. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep those pesky critters away from your plants without hurting the environment. Before we dive into the methods, let's talk about why natural pest control is a game changer. Safe for you and your family. Unlike chemical pesticides, natural solutions don't leave behind toxic residues, making them safer for you, your kids, and pets. Eco-friendly natural methods help maintain the balance of your garden ecosystem, preserving beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees. Cost-effective, many natural solutions use items you probably already have at home, saving you money in the long run. Let's start with a classic homemade soap spray. It's perfect for soft-bodied insects like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. What you need: 1 tablespoon of dish soap, non-toxic and fragrance-free, mixed into 1 quart, 1 liter, of water. How to use: pour the mixture into a spray bottle, shake it well, and spray it directly onto the affected plants. Make sure to cover the undersides of leaves, where pests love to hide. Why it works: the soap breaks down the outer layer of the insects, dehydrating them without harming your plants. Pro tip: test a small area of your plant first to ensure it doesn't react badly to the soap solution. Next up, we have a favorite among organic gardeners: neem oil. This oil comes from the neem tree and works wonders against aphids, mealybugs, and even certain fungi. What you need: 2 teaspoons of neem oil and a few drops of dish soap mixed into 1 quart, 1 liter of warm water. How to use: shake well and spray onto leaves, stems, and flowers. Apply every 7 to 14 days for best results. Why it works: neem oil disrupts the hormones of insects, stopping them from feeding, breeding, and ultimately killing them. Pro tip: use neem oil in the evening or early morning to avoid harming beneficial insects like bees. Let's spice things up with some garlic spray. This potent spray repels a wide range of pests, including aphids, caterpillars, and beetles. What you need: blend 10 garlic cloves with 1 liter or 1 quart of water. Let it sit overnight, then strain it and add a teaspoon of dish soap. How to use: spray it on your plants every few days, focusing on the stems and leaves where pests are most active. Why it works: the strong scent of garlic masks the natural scents that pests use to locate plants, making your garden less attractive to them. Pro tip: be sure to strain the mixture well to avoid clogging your spray bottle. Sometimes the best way to get rid of pests is to let nature do the work for you. Attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies can help keep pest populations in check. How to attract them: plant flowers like marigolds, dill, and yarrow. These flowers provide nectar and pollen that beneficial insects love. Why it works: these good bugs prey on common garden pests, reducing the need for sprays. Pro tip: avoid using any pesticides, even natural ones, on these plants, as they could harm your helpful insect friends. Diatomaceous earth is a fantastic natural option for dealing with crawling insects like slugs, beetles, and ants. What you need: food-grade diatomaceous earth, which is safe for gardens and pets. How to use: dust a thin layer around the base of your plants and directly onto pests. Why it works: it's made from fossilized algae and has sharp microscopic edges that cut through insects' exoskeletons, causing them to dehydrate. Pro tip: reapply after rain or watering, since water can wash it away. And there you have it, folks. Several tried and true natural methods to keep pests away without resorting to harmful chemicals. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these solutions will help you protect your garden the eco-friendly way. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more gardening tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any other natural pest control methods, or if you've tried any of these yourself. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.